So let's say that we wanted to add this styling to every paragraph that we have. You don't have to individually put this into every opening tag. So let's take this out for right now. Okay. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit here, or zoom in. What you can do is you can add a style tag, and I usually put it up top here. So just like this, style. And then since you have to put a lot of stuff inside here, it's good to stack those tags. And then you can put your CSS inside here. So you put your CSS rules. It's going to look a little different from how we did the inline CSS. But anyway, you say what's the element that you want to style? P. So that this is going to style all paragraphs. And then in curly braces, this is where you can put your rules. So you could say color, and you want that to be blue. And then semicolon to add another rule, and that would be font family or font style. And we want that to be italic. And this will apply this to every paragraph. Okay? So just adding a little style section. You can, if you want, type it like this. So you could put the rules underneath one another. Sometimes that's a little easier to read. Okay. I apologize for my dog snoring again. Oh, okay. So we have that. And I guess the only other thing that I would point out here is that you could put this in a different HTML cell. Okay. So let me take this out. All right, so if you do Control X or Command X, right, that will delete that, but save it to the clipboard. And then I'll come down here and I'll make another HTML cell. And then remember Control or Command V will paste. So now I just have the style in its own separate HTML cell, and that works fine. And this is something that I do a lot. I'll set up the style that I want, and once it's working, I'll just sort of drag it down to the bottom so it's sort of out of the way. Okay. So once again, that's what it looks like. And what I would like to do is I would like to show you how you can zero in once again on one element, one paragraph, but still use this method here, using the style tags. And so for that, we're going to have to use what are called IDs and classes, and they're very important and good to know. So we'll tackle those next.